बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं एचनी।
What TV station is this? Sorry.
औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
I can't hear you. I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
आप देख रहे हैं एच न्यूज़ और मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान हसीबुल हक। नाज़रीन, आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं ऐसी शख्सियत मौजूद है जिनका ताल्लुक है एक लंदन के शहर बरतानिया के शहर से CEO ब्रॉडशीट मोहतरम kaveh Moussavi साहब। Mr. kaveh Moussavi, thank you so much for your valuable time.
Yes, it's a pleasure.
Mr. Moussavi, you have a huge amount of 28.7 million from the account of Pakistani High Commission. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, it's in the hands of the court. It's not in my hands. No, I do not have it in my hands. It's in the hands of the court.
Okay. Mr. Kaveh, explain when and how the broadsheet started.
I'm sorry, I've explained all this before. It's a matter of public record. If you have something new to ask me, do, but these things are completely covered and they're in the public domain. What's the next question, please?
Okay. What did Musharraf contact you and which year?
I've discussed all this before. Thank you. Goodbye.